Hey guys, welcome back to 2 Minute Coder. Today we're doing HackerRank problem time conversion. So just take a moment to pause the video and read the question. All right. So instantly we can tell that it's important to know whether it's AM or PM, right? So let's just get that in a variable right off the bat. It's going to be the last two elements. We can do that as so. And what are some edge cases? So the edge cases are obviously if it's PM and the hour hand is at 12, then we don't have to change anything, right? So in what case do we have to change? In what case do we have to change a PM time, right? So we have to change if M is equal to PM and if our hour hand, right, is not equal to 12, right? So in this case, it will be something like 1 p.m., for example. And if it's 1 p.m., what we have to do is we have to take this string. Basically, we have to first do 12 plus this hour hand, right? But obviously, this is an integer. Sorry, this is a string and this is an integer. And eventually, we want to add it to the rest of our string, right? So how are we going to do that? First, obviously, cast the entire thing into a string, and then because we can't do a string plus an integer, we'll then cast this as an integer, right? And then this whole thing evaluates as a string because you're adding a string to a string, which is fine. Now, what is the other edge case? We know that if it's 8 a.m., it's going to stay the same as a 12-hour and a military format, right? But in which case does it not stay the same? Which is the case of if it's AM and the hour hand is at 12, right? So we can just take this and change it to AM, and if the hour hand is 12. If that is the case, then we just convert it to 0, 0, and then add the rest of our string, right? And what do we have to return? We have to return s all the way up to -2 because we do not want to include the AM or the PM. So let's run this and see if it works. Great, now to submit. All test cases have passed. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, subscribe for more.